हेलो एवरीवन। तो एसएससी सीजीएल टीयर 1 का अल्टीमेट लाइव टेस्ट है आज, जो कि एआई जनरेटेड है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। इंग्लिश, ओके, रेडी। तो पहले जीके करते हैं। Which one of the following writs can be issued by a high court to secure the liberty of an individual? It is habeas corpus. With reference to the early Vedic era, consider the following statement. Rigvedic Aryans were pastoral. Cattle rearing people initially. There was no existence of slave or hired laborers for agricultural farms. Royal and noble families practiced polygamy, whilst others practiced monogamy. Which of the statements given are correct? So, polygamy monogamy के बारे में कुछ सुना नहीं यार। Are correct. Pastoral, cattle rearing people initially. 1 and 2. Say, who became the first Indian American to be appointed as the director of the FBI? I don't know. Which monetary tool doesn't used by the Reserve Bank of India to mitigate illiquidity? Currency deposit ratio, cash reserve, currency. Which of the following festival is organized by the government of Karnataka usually in January to celebrate the grandeur of temples at a UNESCO heritage site? It is पट्टादकल। बैलेंस करना है तो Fe3, सो 3 वाला ऑक्सीजन 4, यहाँ पे 4 करना है, 4H2O, 4H2O। तो ये 4 हाइड्रोजन आध होना पड़ेगा, 4 दिस। मैथ्स नो क्रैक। अगस्त चमलाई, नंदा देवी उत्तराखंड। C1 2 है। सो नौकरेक मेघालय A4। Which of the following correctly describes the main objective of PM Kusum? To provide farmers with free electricity for irrigation, to subsidize installation and wind turbines on agricultural land, to replace all diesel pumps with electric pumps, to promote solar energy. The activities or services focused on creation, rearrangement and interpretation of new and existing ideas are referred to as creation, rearrangement and interpretation of new and existing ideas. वो तो नहीं होगा, पहला वाला, सेकेंड, थर्ड। आई थिंक क्वीनरी। Which of the following statements are about Champaran Satyagraha? It started on 1st April. No. The Champaran Satyagraha was the first Satyagraha movement inspired by Gandhi. Yes. The Padma Shri Award announced for Farooq Ahmad Mir, Lalit Kumar Mangawa were conferred in these fields. Farooq Ahmad Mir and Lalit Kumar Mangotra. Art, Literature and Education. The Sarkha was placed at the center of the tricolor flag of the Indian National Congress adopted in the year 1931. Which of the following statement about Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat program? It was announced in the year. The aim is to create environment with promotes. I don't know. Kidham Lake and Sur Sarovar Bird Sanctuary, Agra. Sustainable agriculture. Under the National Action Plan on Climate Change, National Mission Sustainable, governed by Ministry of Environment and Forest, the mission would identify and develop new crop varieties and use traditional and modern agricultural techniques. India confirmed Indonesian President Is it chief guest of the 76th Republic Day, the theme of the year, Swarni Bharat Virasat or Vikas, both. Evolution of titles, Article 18, A3, Right to Education 2, D2. Which neighboring country of India is connected through the Nathula Pass, China? Which of the following movies is not written by Arvind Adiga? The White Tiger, Selection Day, Last Man in Tower. English teacher. Which Congress session supported the Swadeshi and boycott movement? Calcutta. Which of the following has the lowest percentage of forest area? Punjab, Gujarat, Rajasthan. Lakshadweep तो ज़्यादा होगा, राजस्थान, गुजरात या पंजाब. Lowest percentage of forest area. Punjab. With reference to the Mansabdari system, which of the following statement is correct? Was introduced by Aurangzeb? No. The Mansabdari system was taken from the system followed in Turkey. Only Mansabdar of 7,000 caste. All appointments and promotions as well as dismissals were directly made by the emperor. I don't know. MRI scan produce detail. What is the full form? Magnified resonance, magnetic resonance imaging. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? Vaisheshika, Patanjali, Nyaya, Gautama. The bile juice is secreted in stomach. The digestion of protein starts in the small intestine, large intestine. Quick. Test the bus is ready to leave. Look for get on, pull off, take off, get on the bus. Destitute. Rich, indigent, wealthy, affluent. My dad will be come home late tonight. My dad will come. We are not familiar with the part of the city. Which part is this part? Several interesting articles were shared by. A lot of commonalities were found between she and I as we talked for hours at a stretch. R and I. May the beloved prince of this town showers his blessings on us. May the beloved prince of this town showers his blessings on us. For over 40 years, we have been designing and manufacturing test equipment for car manufacturers. For over 40 years, we have been designing and manufacturing test equipment for car manufacturers. While it is apparent that biotechnology offers significant benefits, adequate attention has not been focused to this vital area. While it is apparent that biotechnology offers significant while it is apparent that while they ate their breakfast, a sound of the huge crash came from outside. While they ate. Chitra is very self-conscious of her body. Mrinal Pandey's story 4 reflect the feelings of a young girl who is illiterated and humiliated, but she stands for her ground. Ram said to me, let us go to see a movie. Ram suggested. Shakti is looking for this remunerative job. Looking for a organic food seems to be in vogue these days, in fashion. A large crowd of people. Flock, swarm, pack, song. They clean the house every week. The house is cleaned. No part of this publication may be reproduced, stored or transmitted AD in any form without the written permission of the publisher of the book. No part of this publication may be reproduced, stored or transmitted in any form without the written permission of the publisher of the book. Connoisseur के तो नहीं होगा C. The novelist depicted the moral decay of the society through his novels. Integrity, moral decay of the society through his novels. Decay, degeneration, indignation, conviction. Humans have that animals do not have a life and may be exploited in any way they see fit. Humans have assigned that, humans have claimed that animals do not have a life and may be exploited in any way they see. Assume that animals do not have a life and may be exploited in any way they see. Depended. Humans have claimed that animals do not have a life and may be exploited in any way they see fit. But this superstition is incorrect, perspective is incorrect, fact, data, incorrect and must be altered before it is too late. We fail to recognize that the pain we inflict on animals will come back to hunt. And no matter how bad the discovery we make, limited, painful, how significant the discovery we make by causing harm to animals, how significant and will come back to us. And no matter how significant the discovery we make by causing harm to animals, it will be futile. It can never nullify, specify, justify the human actions. Humans have claimed that animals do not have a life and may be exploited in any way they see fit, but this perspective is incorrect and must be altered before it is too late. We fail to recognize that the pain we inflict on animal will come back to haunt us, and no matter how significant the discovery we make by causing harm to animals, it will be futile. It can never justify the human actions. Maybe. If p sin a minus cos a is equal to 1, p square. P sin a minus cos a is equal to 1, p square minus 1 plus p square. P square minus 1 minus p square, it will be minus 1. Rajesh is playing with a football having diameter of 28 cm. He wants to get a photo of his favorite player painted on the entire ball. The painter charges 2 per centimeter square. What will be the cost of painting the ball? So it's a ball. So 4 pi r14 into 2. So it must go by 7. तो 7 से जाना पड़ेगा, चलाना है। 4 2 जा 8 2 जा 16 2 जा 32 4 जा, ये नहीं होगा। एन में 8 आने वाला है और 7 7 7 7 49 0 4 नहीं। A can do a work in 8 days, B in 12 days if they work together on it for 3 days. 7 21 work in 8 days, B in 12 days. A 8 B 12. Okay, 3 plus 2 5 15. So 9 work left. What left? 9 left by 24. 3 3s are 3 8s are 2 by 3 of a principal amount is deposited in the bank at compound interest at the rate of 10% per annum. Let's say 200, no, 2 1. Amount is deposited in the post office at the simple interest rate of 15% per annum. In the difference between compound interest and simple interest for 2 years be 480. So deposited in the bank at compound interest rate of 10%. 10% compound interest, so it will be 21%. And 15% into 2, 30%. 15%, yes. But this is 2 and this is 1. 42% and 30% difference will be 2, 12%. So 480, 12. We need 100. No. Total principal amount is equal to. We need 2x amount into 21%. Okay, then minus x into 15 into 30% will be 480. 42x minus 30x is equal to 480 into 100. So here 12x 480 into 100. $4,000. Total amount will be 3x 12,000. A vertical pole of length 80 meter is situated on a horizontal plane. The base of the pole, this is 80, at P. There are 2 points A and B such that P, A, B are on the same straight line with angles of elevation. Let's say this one, another one. A and B. PA 64, AB 36, alpha beta, alpha plus beta. So this is this must be, since this is shorter, 31 से छोटा है तो ये लगभग 45 से ज़्यादा होना पड़ेगा। और ये वाला 45 से छोटा होगा, लेस देन 45, so greater than 45, less than 45. Tuka. A swimmer's speed in swimming pool is 6 km/h. He swims between 2 points in a river and returns back to the starting point. He took 24 minutes more to cover the distance upstream and the downstream. If the speed of the stream is 4, so downstream will be 5, upstream will be 1. Now upstream, downstream, 1:5. Time will be 5:1. 24 is the value of 4. Then the distance between the 2 points, we need 1, 6. 6 minutes in hour into 5.5. So here x square plus y square plus z square, xy plus yz plus zx. If we put 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So x1, y1, z1. 17 plus 9 plus 16, 8 plus 6 plus 10. 25 plus 10, 35, 42. So 8 plus 6, 14 plus 10, 24. 6, 7, 6, 4. 1 point. The variance of the data. So 18, 20, 23, 28, 31, 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Be 5. 5 minus 2, 3, 9. 16, 16, 4, 0, 4, 1, 5, 9, 18, 32 plus 18, this will be 50. 50 by 7, 7. Two circles with center M and N have radii 5 and 8. The circle touch each other at externally at point. Okay. T. A line PR is drawn such that points M on PR P being closer to M. From P, a tangent PQ. So I think it will be here PQ. Sorry, PR. PQ 12. Another tangent RS. Here RS is 15. This is 5. This is 8. What is the length of PR? So this will be 5. This is 90 degree, 90 degree, 8. 8, 15, 17. 5, 12, 13. 13. This is 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 18 plus 8 plus 17. 53. 13, 5, 12. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 plus 8. 18 plus 8. 26. 26 plus 10. 36. 36 plus 7. 43. 43. The compound interest calculated a certain return on a certain sum of money X for second year and third year is 770847 respectively. Find the sum of money. Second and third year 770847. So the difference will be 7. So it means 10% rate of interest. 770 is the value of 11. We need 10. No. Yes. 700. 7,000. Additional Software promised to sell his goods at cost price, however he uses a weight that actually weighs 21% less than what is written, or 21% means, so it will be let's say 79, and he'll take how much? 21 into 100. 79. 9 6 4 plus 6 0. I think this 9 8 72 plus 2 4 no. 45 plus 6 no. 63 plus 7 this can be. So let's say 80 मान लेते हैं. 26 into 80 plus 46. So here we have 0. 2080 plus 466 21 26 nearly यही है. 26 110 this. A circle is inside a ABC having sides AB. Let's say this one A B C. AB 16, BC 20, AC 24. AB BC AC. AB D E F. The measure of AD. Let's say if it is 10 10, 6, 6, 10, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, 24, this one. Cot alpha p by q, cot alpha cos by sine p by q. So p cos alpha p square minus q square, p square plus q square minus p square minus q square, p square plus q square plus 3. So we have p square plus q square, p square 1 minus of 2q square plus 3. So 3p square plus 3q square minus 2q square by p square plus q square. We will have 3p square plus q square by p square plus q square. Three by p square plus q square. No. P square by p square plus q square. Q square. Sin alpha q square p square. Wait. Minus, this will be plus, so this will be 0. What is the value of the following expression? 4 by 7 into 9 by 2 into 3. Yeah. 7 into minus 63 by 8, 9 into 189 by 20 plus 4 by 7 into 9 by 2 into 3 by 8 into 5. No. 3 by 40 minus 63 by 8 20 by 46 into 21 plus half 3. So 4 2s are 4 5s are. Now 2 into 9 into 3 by 7 into 40 minus 3 into 5, 2 into 46 plus half. My God, 46, 92, 280, 92, 2. So this can't be 23. Let's say 23. It will be 3. $69. 69 69 1 166. Leave it. The base of a right prism is a regular hexagon that has side of 4 cm. Then find the volume of the prism if its height is 12√3. Height is 12√3. Right prism is a regular hexagon that has side of 4 cm. Find the volume of the prism if its height is 12√3. I forgot. The point which divides the line segment of points P minus 1, 7 and 4, 3 in the ratio 2:3. The point which divides the line segment of points in the ratio 2:3. So let's say -1, this one, 7, let's say this one, 4, this one, -3, this one. -1, 7, so this will be here, 4, -3, this will be here. So this will be the line segment in the ratio 2:3. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2:3. So y-axis will be positive and x-axis will be negative. Negative, positive, this one. ये बस तुक्का लगाया है मैंने. Two numbers are respectively 30% and 37% less than a third number. What percentage of the first number is the second number? What percentage of the first number is the second number? What percentage of the first number is the second number? Two numbers are respectively 30% and 37% less than a third number. Let's say third number is 100. 30% less than A, B, C. 30% less, A, 37% less, 63. What percentage of the first number is the second number? Two numbers are respectively 30% and 37% less than a third number. So if it is 30% is 70, 37% 63. What percentage of the first number? Twelve. Okay. Time is going, man. A seller offers a discount of 12% if the total sale price of the different product purchased by a single customer is below 3,000 and discount of 15% if the total sale value of the products exceed 3,000. A shirt costing 900 was sold to Anand after earning a margin of 9%, and also a jacket costing 1900 was sold to him after a margin of 6%. How much does Anand have to pay for a final settlement of the bill? So 900 plus 1900, it will be how much? 2800. He'll get 15 below 3000. 12% discount. 12%. 336. I think I'm making mistakes somewhere. Nah. Three partners decided to start a business. They decided to donate 10% of the profit to charity organization, and then the remaining profit would be shared amongst first, second, and third partner in the ratio 1:2:2. The total profit received was 1,80,000. Find the share of the first profit. So 1,80,000. It will be 90%. Profit sharing will be 90%. 90%. Okay. 2, 2, 4, 5. 18 ones are 18, so 9. This is not divisible by 9. 9, not 9. This. In a box carrying 1 dozen of mangoes, 1/3 of them have become bad. If 3 mangoes are taken out, 1 dozen mangoes, 12 mangoes, 1/3 of them, and 4 mangoes, 8 mangoes are alive. 3 mangoes are taken out from the box at random, then how is it that at least 1 out of the 3 mangoes picked up is good? Let's keep it. 2 trains start at the same Rajdhani from Delhi in NJP2, and they arrive at NJP at Delhi respectively 25% after they pass each other. Speed of Rajdhani is 180, then find the speed of Shatabdi. 2 trains start at the same time, Rajdhani from Delhi to NJP, Shatabdi from NJP to Delhi. If they arrive at NJP and Delhi respectively 25 hours and 16 hours after they have passed each other. Speed of Rajdhani, let's say Rajdhani 180, Shatabdi X. Time for Rajdhani 25 hours, time for Shatabdi 16 hours. So where they meet, Rajdhani, Shatabdi. It took 25 hours into 180, it will be 0, 20, 4, 5, 0. So here and here they took same time. So this distance was covered in 16 hours. So this time will be 16 into x, and this distance was covered by Rajdhani in 180. It will be equal to this distance 4500 by x. So 16x square is equal to 180 into 4500. 4x square is 180 into 25 into 180. So 4x will be 180 and 5. 45 into 5, 225. POA x degree, OQB y degree, OB is equal to BQ, OB BQ, then this will be y. So x and y plus y, this OB OA same, so this is 2y, this is 2y. Okay, and y 2y plus y, no, 2y y, 3y, wait, 4y plus, let's say P 180 degree, no, it will not work. 2y plus 2y, x will be 2y plus y. Okay, 2y plus y is equal to x is equal to 3y. A and B enter into partnership with putting in 3 times what B has put in. B1 at 3. However, B is the working partner and entitled to a salary of Rs 50,000 per month to be paid from the gross profit. What is the addition to his share profit? Which is addition. His gross profit at the end of the year is 30 lakh. So end of the year 30 lakh gross profit. Here we will be 50,000. 50,000 into 12 month, 60 into 3 and 4, 6 lakh, okay, 24 lakh left. Here what is the total money received by B? 24 lakh by 4, 6 lakh, 6 lakh is 12 lakh. Ram purchases a fan, he gets 8% discount. However, if he purchases 3 fans, he gets 6% on first, 10% on second, 12% on the third. If the price paid by the Ram for 3 years, 3 fans is in, what will be the mark price for each fan? So let's say mark price X, 3 fans, he got 6%. 6% means 94. 10% means 90 and 12% means 88. 6800. 94 plus 90 plus 88. 90, 270, 272. X is equal to 6800 into 100. So 17 ones are 17 six are 17 fours are 4 4 4 25. It will be 2500. In a certain code language, rocket, airplane, sky, stars is written as, and satellite, moon, sun, sky. Satellite, moon, sun, sky. So sky is same. Sky, rocket, पूछा है. Sky, sun, stars, Mars. Sky, suns, stars, Mars. Sun, sun, sun. Sky, sun, stars, Mars. sun common and sky common. See sky, another we. Sun is we. See nahi. Now Venus, airplane, moon, planet. Okay. Airplane, moon, planet, rocket, airplane, sky, stars, Venus, airplane, airplane. D is airplane. C तो वो होगा, ये हो गया. की is here, sky, sun, stars. इसमें रॉकेट नहीं है तो P होना पड़ेगा. Evaluate the following expression. Mod 17. 5 into 5, 25 minus 4 into 5 by 4, 20 minus 28. It will be 25 minus 5, 20, 20 minus 8 minus 8. So it will be 8, 8, 17, 8 mod 17. What this mod defines? 8 mod 17. $25 minus 5, 20, 8, 8 mod 17. 3, 2, 1, 6, 2. 3 square 9. 9 ones are 9, 17, 18. 9 into 18. 6, 8, 2, 1, 6 into 18. Okay. 5 square 25. 25,000 divides. 9 cube 729 into 18. No. 4 cube 64 into 18. No. 7 square 49 into 18. Yes. Each correct is wrong. No wrong is right. Each correct is wrong. No wrong is right. No correct is right. No correct is right. Some wrongs are correct. Some wrongs are correct. This is no correct is right. How many such numbers are present in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by each factor and followed by an even number? Preceded by each factor and followed by an even number. Even number this. No. Even number this. Preceded by factor. Factor. Even number. Factor. Even number. This is not factor. 2. I got 2. No. Greenland is related to Arctic Ocean in the same way as England is related to Greenland, Arctic Ocean. England is in Europe, Atlantic, Arctic, Pacific. Not Antarctica, Arctic, Pacific, Antarctica, Atlantic. I forgot. Suitable figure from the answer figure which would replace the question mark. This one goes here, here. Konark, Madurai, Dilwara, Ellora. In a class of 50 students, Raghu rank is twice that of Paul. There are 10 students who have rank worse than that of Raghu. Paul's rank in the class is. There are 10 students who have ranks worse than that of Raghu. So Raghu, if these are 10, Raghu is in 9. Wait. So these are 10, Raghu. Raghu's rank is twice that of Paul. Twice that of Paul. This will be 9. Who have ranks worse than that of Raghu? 9. 10 students. No, I can't say. 10. Raghu's rank is twice that of Paul. Class of 50 students. So this is 40. 20. Water mess. Madar land. Madar. In reflective teaching methodology, a teacher shares information to be memorized by students. Reflective teaching methodology inculcates higher order thinking skills. Choose the correct answer. Inculcates higher order thinking. Reflective teaching methodologies. Y is equal to 2, TUB 38. Y is equal to 2. Okay. T20 it will be 7. T21. F6. Yes. 9 plus 9 plus 12 plus 26 plus 23. So voilà. Let's keep length of base which a train 120 meter long and traveling at 54 km can cross in 20 seconds. 20 seconds, 54 km per hour. Yeah. 15 into 20, 300, 120. 80, 180. D at the rate, D is the wife of A, are related to D. Childhood, adulthood, infancy, old age, adolescence. Infancy, 3 is start of the childhood. Jumble words, reviews. Reviews. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. शायद मैथ्स में टाइम ज़्यादा ले लिया मैंने, कोई नहीं.